Welcome if you're new here. It's springtime in the South with the Priceless Pearl Life with me, Katrina. Now, I've only been home 3 days in the last 2 weeks, so cleaning, it is in order. And so I'm starting today in the primary bedroom because mom is the queen, and the queen needs a clean and pretty place to lay her head.
You're my lifeline, you're my lifeline, you're my lifeline. You're my lifeline, you're my lifeline, you're my lifeline. You're showing forgiveness and loving your children.
So I'm Katrina, and who I am, I'm a sister, a daughter, a servant, and a pastor. And what I love to do is share my love of cleaning, cooking, vlogs, shopping hauls, and of course, styling and decorating your home on a budget. If these are things that interest you, you know what to do. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I would love to have you join my Priceless Pearl family.
You're my lifeline, you're my lifeline. You're my lifeline, you're my lifeline, you're my lifeline. Yeah, you're my lifeline, you're my lifeline, you're my lifeline. Yeah. In you I live, in you I give. In you I love and can forgive. In you is where my breathing is. You're my lifeline. In you I live, in you I give. In you I love.
So I absolutely love refreshing and making over my home on a budget. I found these window panels last year on Wayfair for they were around $120 something a piece. But I did not pay that much. I paid less than, I think, $40 per panel. What a steal. So in today's makeover, I only spent, yay me,
You're my lifeline. 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 You're my lifeline.
I just want to say to all of my loyal subscribers, thank you so much for your patience and your understanding. You know, pastoring is my priority, and we just concluded a wonderful conference experience. So now I have time to dedicate to this channel. So you will see the cleaning, the cooking, the vlogs, the decorating, all of that good stuff in the days to come. But if you're new here, you know what you need to do. Like this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell twice so you never miss an upload from the Priceless Pearl Life. And until next time, you know what I say. Stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I already look forward to seeing you on my next video. Videos are posted on Tuesdays and Thursdays, 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and a few more sprinkling between for your viewing pleasure.